All right, clarinets, here we go. This is a chop builder. All right, so that was Chop Builder. A couple new things we have right off the bat is we have this long line looking thing, which is called a slur. And when we play slurs in band music or any music, it means to play legato, long, connected, smooth. And so what you'll experience is a tongue on the first note and then no tongue on the second and third. You'll notice that this happens on every single phrase of the song. When you have 4 notes in a row, you won't tongue the fourth one either. So if you were to start over here where my cursor is, that would go da with no tongue. If you did tongue it would sound like this. Ta, 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 ta. We don't want to hear that. The other new thing we have in this song is the A. The first time we've experienced the A on clarinet. So the way that you play A is if you look at the front side of your clarinet, okay, this button right here, all by itself, pushes up that key. So when you push just that button, it will pull that key up and it'll make the note sound A. Try that with me. The tricky part about this song is not just doing that new A, but also rocking between the E and the A. In fact, this is a pretty important clarinet skill. They make it such a big deal on here that they say roll your left hand finger up to the A key. Okay, well, what does roll up mean? Okay, so you're actually going to position your index finger so that's touching the A key and you roll up to it. And the idea is that you don't get this sound. We don't want that ba-da, ba-da sound. We want to hear that consistency of line with no additional notes inside. Pretty tough. You can do it with a little bit of practice. I've seen some students already this year conquer this skill. You can do it. Just spend a little bit of time putting those fingers exactly where I showed you. Don't forget at the end of the song, we have the 2 dots, which means to repeat it back to the beginning and play it all over again. That's all I got for you. You guys are doing great. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.